If you want to get access to HUNYUAN 3D, use link in the description or type 3d.hunyuan.tencent.com in the address bar. It's in Chinese, so you can use auto-translate option in the Chrome browser. You should log in here. I'll use email. After signing in, you'll have to click on Application Experience to start creating. Right now, you have 20 free generations per day, which is pretty good. If you will generate 3D models from text only, you'll be able to get up to 80 models daily. There are two options. Vincent 3D is for creating models from text prompts, and Tusheng 3D allows you to use images as reference. Let's create something with text. First, you have to define which object or creature you want to get, then describe its details, overall style, etc. I want to generate some cartoonish penguin. Here you can select one of the 6 predefined texture styles. I'll choose cartoon, obviously. You can decide if you want to generate PBR map. Generation process will take just a few minutes. As you can see, there are 4 models generated at once from one prompt. But if you look at number of remaining free daily generations, you'll see that this one counts as 1. Let's see what I got. This is obviously not the best result you can get here. There are small imperfections in the texture around the eyes and penguin's beak. In general, textures are the weakest point of the models generated in HUNYUAN. But such things don't happen all the time. Okay, let's see another variation. As for me, it looks better. Texture around the eyes and beak isn't so unclear this time, but there are some orange spots on the tail. Nice. I want to use image as reference, so I switch to Tusheng 3D. First, I'll use single reference picture. It will be side view of blue teddy bear. When you create 3D model from image, you get only one result. Not bad. But some details like nose or red tie look strange because they aren't really recognizable on the side view picture. So let's try multiple images feature. I generated this image in ImageFX, AI image generator from Google. It provides really good quality, so check my video about it. You can add images with front, rear, left, and right view of the object. I have images of this bear from 3 sides, this time generated model, and all its details look much better as you can see. The only thing I don't like is white dots on the eyes. On the reference image, they looked differently. Here you can disable texture to see white mold, or see the texture without PBR. And here is normal map. You can save this model in different formats, or you can save GIF or video with rotating 3D model. GIF will have transparent background. Go to Assets tab to see all the generations. You can delete generated models or generate them one more time, so probably you'll get different result. Here is second variation of this bear. The model looks 95% the same. There are just differences on the eyes, nose, and mouth. And what I want to say is that this generator is good for creating stylized and cartoonish objects or characters. Even if you try to create something realistic, the result will be a little bit stylized.